Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your private money minute. The most important part of acquiring properties is making sure it's a good deal. Now I mean a good deal. There's too many real estate investors out there that just don't buy good deals and they're just not making the money that they deserve to make on some of these. It doesn't matter if they're flipping it or buying rentals or self-storage or commercial apartments. It doesn't matter. It's all you make your money when you buy. That's just the truth of it. Now, the solution is you got to be marketing for deals. Yes, marketing. Over 50% of your day should be going to lead generation and marketing to finding good opportunities. I hear too many times real estate investors say, well, I looked at 4 or 5 projects this month and this was the best one that I found, so I purchased it. I mean, that's shenanigans. Those numbers aren't nearly high enough. The good investors are looking at hundreds of properties a month and making offers on dozens and dozens and dozens until they find 1, 2, or 3. Again, I'm not saying that it's easy, but if you want to make real money as a real estate investor, you got to do the hard work and you got to take it seriously and you got to market and you got to find good deals.